Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of C++ programming course, and in this video we will learn about variables. Variables are just like container to store value in it. A variable has a name and can given a value. We can give different types of value to the variables. Variables are located particularly places in computer's memory. When we create variables or declare variables, these are saved in the computer's memory. When a variable is given a value, that value is actually placed in the memory space and assigned to the variable. There are different types of variables defined with different keywords. These are used to store different types of data. Int, double, char, float, long, string, boolean. These are the types of data or types of variables. To create a variable, you must specify the type and name. Before you create a variable, you have to specify what the type of the variable is, and you have to give the name. Assigning value is optional. You can assign value when you are creating or declaring variable, or you can assign value later. You can just create a variable and don't give it value, or you can give the value at the same time. Syntax of creating variables. When you are creating variables, you have to define the type of variable you are creating, and that is called variable type. And second, variable name and semicolon. These are the must steps to create a variable. You have to give the type and name. As I create int x semicolon. Int is the data type of variable and x is the name of the variable. X is a variable name and int is the type of variable x. We have created a x name variable, but we have not given the value. You can also give the value to the variable, and this is a syntax. Variable type, variable name equals to and value. Int x equals to 10. It means we are creating a int type variable which its name is x, and we have given the value 10. X is a variable and int is a type of variable. Assign a value 10 to the variable x. So let's create these values in the coding. I am going to create a new file and code the First of all, when we are creating variable, you have to specify the type of the variable. I am creating an int type variable, so I will write int. Int means integer. And we will give the name of variable. I give the my age. So I have created a variable named my age, but I have not assigned any value. So I am creating in other variable my name, and I am assigning the value. So I have created two variables. In first variable, I just declare a variable with name but didn't give any value. And in the second example, I created a int type my salary variable and I give the some value. So I will run the code and check if it's working or not. So there is no errors, and we have successfully created two variables. Display variables. You can also display the value of variable that is stored in the variable. Cout object is used together with the insertion operator to display variables. To combine with text and variable, separate them with the insertion operator. Int my age equals to 35. I have created a variable my age, okay, so 35, and in the second line I am going to print this cout double less than, in quotes, I am double less than my age. My age is the variable name that I have declared above, and I am going to print this. So let's print these practically. So I will write cout double less than, and I will write the name of the variable. I want to print my salary variable that I have created. I will write my salary, and just I give the semicolon. I just want to print this number, and this number is stored in the variable my salary. So I write here my salary to print this. This is the way to print a variable. So let's run this code. So this is the output, and you can see the value has been printed successfully. So I create it in other variable and copy this code, and I also want to print my age. So I will write my age. There will be 35 printed because 35 are stored in my age, and I am going to print the my age. So the value of my age will be printed. So let's run this code. Oh, I have given mistake in the name. Name must be corrected of the variable. So code has been created successfully. So I have printed these two values. This is the first one and this is the second line. But I want to print the 35 on the next line. So I will write here ENDL. This will print this on the next line. So you can see here 35 is printed on the next line. So this is a video in which we talk about variables, and we would talk more about these variables and these data types in upcoming videos. And this is all for today. Thanks for watching.